Some of the world's deadliest creatures are also the hardest to find, hidden in shadows, deep forests and forgotten corners of the earth where rare snakes still survive. From remote rainforests to hidden deserts, some snakes are so rare that humans almost never see them. So these are the 25 rarest snakes in the world.
The mongoose is incredibly quick on his...
Imagine looking up at the trees and seeing a snake moving through the air. The paradise flying snake is one of the most amazing reptiles in nature and lives in the forests of Southeast Asia. Even though it cannot actually fly, it can glide through the air for distances of up to 100 meters. It does this by flattening its body into a shape that looks like a wing and moving from side to side to keep its balance. Its bright green, black and yellow colors help it hide among the trees. While it is slightly venomous, it is not considered dangerous to humans, which makes its incredible ability to move through the air even more interesting to watch. Could a snake survive when almost all signs of it have disappeared from the world? The St. Lucia racer is one of the rarest snakes on Earth. It is found only on the small Caribbean island of St. Lucia. At one point people thought it was extinct, but it was later found again surviving on a small island just off the coast. This snake is harmless and not venomous. It mainly eats lizards and plays an important role in keeping its fragile environment balanced. There may be fewer than a few dozen left. It is always under threat because its habitat is being destroyed and because of invasive animals like mongooses that hunt it. Hidden in the shadows of tropical forests, one snake carries both beauty and deadly power in its body. The red-headed krait is a very venomous snake found in Southeast Asia. It is easy to recognize because it has a bright red head and a body with strong black or dark blue bands. It is mostly active at night and often hunts other snakes, lizards and small animals. Its venom affects the nervous system and can be extremely dangerous to humans, but people rarely meet it because it is very secretive and hides most of the time. Even though it has a frightening reputation, it still plays an important role in nature by helping to control the number of animals it hunts. How does a snake survive in harsh deserts while staying almost invisible to the human eye? Wagner's viper is a small but highly venomous snake found in Turkey and parts of the Middle East. It has a stout body, triangular head and strikingly patterned scales that perfectly match rocky desert terrain. This ambush predator remains motionless for long periods before striking lizards and small mammals with speed. Its hemotoxic venom causes severe pain and tissue damage, yet it is rarely encountered due to its extremely secretive, well-camouflaged lifestyle. On a remote island near Brazil, evolution created a snake that is different from almost any other snake on Earth. The golden lancehead is a highly venomous pit viper that lives only on Ilha de Queimada Grande, a place that is often called Snake Island. Its golden brown color helps it blend in very well with the leaves and branches around it, where it hunts birds, which are its main source of food. Its powerful venom attacks the blood and tissues of its prey and can cause serious tissue damage and even organ failure in humans. Because it has been separated from the mainland for thousands of years, this rare snake developed special hunting abilities and unique adaptations. These features make it one of the most interesting and most feared reptiles in the world. Is it possible for a creature to look like it was born from moonlight itself? The white cobra snake is often a rare albino or leucistic form of cobras and is found in parts of South Asia. It is known for its pale ghost-like white color, which comes from genetic differences. Even though it looks unusual and striking, it has powerful neurotoxic venom that can cause breathing failure if not treated in time. It is usually shy and avoids people, and it depends more on warning displays than attacking. Its rare white body makes it one of the most mysterious and beautiful-looking snakes in the reptile world. Deep beneath the pine-covered forests of North America, a rare predator quietly survives in near silence. The Louisiana pine snake is a large non-venomous snake that lives in the longleaf pine ecosystems of the southern United States, especially in Louisiana and Texas. It is one of the rarest snakes in this region because its habitat has been reduced due to logging and the prevention of natural fires. This snake lives mostly underground and feeds mainly on pocket gophers using their tunnels to move around and hunt. Its body has a black and tan pattern and it reproduces slowly, which makes its survival even more difficult. Because of these factors, it is considered an important species for conservation. How can a single snake seem like it has two minds controlling one body? Double-headed snakes are not actually two separate snakes. They are rare cases of a condition called bicephaly, where a single embryo partly splits while it is developing. This creates two different heads on one body, and each head has its own brain. These snakes often have difficulty moving and coordinating their actions, especially when the two heads try to go in different directions. Although this condition is extremely rare and interesting, most of these snakes do not survive for long in the wild. They are usually seen and studied in captivity or in scientific research. What if a snake survived only on tiny islands while disappearing everywhere else on Earth? The Antiguan racer is one of the rarest snakes in the world. It is found only on a few small islands near Antigua in the Caribbean. It is a harmless snake and does not have venom. It mainly eats lizards and other small animals. At one time, people believed it was extinct because of invasive animals like rats and because its habitat was destroyed. Its population fell to only a few dozen individuals. However, thanks to careful conservation work and efforts to restore the islands, its numbers have slowly increased. This has made it an important symbol of successful wildlife recovery and protection. Could a snake exist so quietly that it is almost never seen by humans at all? The Albany adder is a critically endangered and extremely rare viper found only in a small area of South Africa's Eastern Cape. It is a small snake with a thick body and a dark patterned skin that helps it blend very well into sandy and rocky ground. This snake is an ambush predator, meaning it waits quietly to catch its prey. It mainly eats small lizards and rodents. Because of habitat loss caused by farming and urban development, this snake has been pushed close to extinction. Very few confirmed sightings have been recorded, which makes it one of the most mysterious snakes in the world. Hidden among green leaves like a living illusion, a master of disguise moves silently through the trees. The green vine snake is a thin, mildly venomous reptile found in South and Southeast Asia. It often stays still among trees and bushes. Its long stick-like body and bright green color help it blend perfectly into leafy surroundings. Unlike many other snakes, it has pupils shaped horizontally, which help it see depth very well when hunting. It mainly eats lizards and frogs. It attacks quickly from branches and uses mild venom to catch its prey. This makes it one of the most well-camouflaged hunters in nature. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a predator perfectly adapted to life without land. The short-nosed sea snake is a highly venomous sea-dwelling reptile found in the coastal waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. It spends almost its whole life in the sea and only comes up to the surface to breathe. It is adapted for life in water with a tail shaped like a paddle that helps it swim very well. It can dive for long periods while hunting fish and eels. Its venom is extremely strong, but it is usually not aggressive toward humans unless it is disturbed or handled. Along the shimmering wetlands and coastal marshes of California, a flash of living color moves through the water and reeds. The California red-sided garter snake is one of the most striking reptiles in North America and is found mainly along the coast of California. It is well known for its bright red, black and turquoise stripes that shine in sunlight. This snake is not venomous and can live in many different environments, especially near wetlands. It eats frogs, fish and small amphibians. When it feels threatened, it gives off a strong bad smell to scare away predators. Its bright colors and unusual defense make it one of the most beautiful garter snakes in the world. In the quiet world of night where shadows move faster than light, a small hunter slips through unnoticed. Ross's wolf snake is a non-venomous snake found across South and Southeast Asia. It is often seen near forests, fields and sometimes even around human homes. It is small and thin and usually dark brown or black with light patterns that help it hide in dead leaves and shadows. Even though it is harmless to people, it is a skilled hunter at night. It mainly eats lizards, small frogs and geckos. People often mistake it for venomous snakes because of how it looks. However, it depends on hiding and fast movement to stay safe and survive in the wild. Deep within one of Brazil's most untouched forest regions, a creature once thought to be gone forever was unexpectedly found again and added back into scientific records. Cropan's boa is one of the rarest snakes in the world. It is native to Brazil and is named after Cropan, the assistant of herpetologist Paulo Vanzolini. For a long time it was believed to be extinct until a live one was discovered in the 1990s. Because of this, it is called a Lazarus species, meaning a species that was thought to be lost but then found again. This non-venomous boa lives in the thick Atlantic forest. It is believed to be active at night and feeds on small mammals and birds. Its secret lifestyle and very few sightings make it one of the most mysterious boas ever recorded. A fiery red snake with a deadly defense. Meet the red cobra, one of nature's most striking and feared reptiles. The red cobra, often referring to the red-spitting cobra Naja paulida, is found in parts of Africa. It grows to about 0.7 to 1.5 meters in length and sometimes up to 2 meters. Its reddish-orange body acts as a warning to keep predators away. It is known for spitting venom very accurately into the eyes of threats. It also uses its hood as a form of defense to appear larger and more dangerous. This snake feeds on small animals and lives in dry, warm environments where it is well adapted to survive. A snake that looks like it has a leaf on its nose is one of nature's strangest disguises, and it is hiding right in plain sight. The Madagascar leaf-nosed snake, which is found only in the forests of Madagascar, is one of the most unusual reptiles in the world. It has a special projection on its snout that looks like a leaf, and this shape is different in males and females. This leaf-like feature helps the snake blend in perfectly with tree branches while it waits to catch its prey as an ambush predator. It mostly eats small lizards and small birds. Even though it looks scary and dangerous, it is only mildly venomous and is not considered a threat to humans. Instead of using aggression to survive, it depends more on its camouflage and hiding ability in the wild. A hidden hunter of Myanmar's rivers, small, fast and perfectly suited for life in water. The Irawati keelback snake is a semi-aquatic snake species found around the Irawati River basin in Myanmar. It usually grows between 60 and 90 centimeters, and some can reach almost 1 meter in length. It lives well in wetlands, rice fields and slow-moving streams. It eats fish, frogs and tadpoles, and it uses its strong swimming ability to catch its prey by surprise. Even though it has rear fangs and is mildly venomous, it is not truly dangerous to humans. It depends more on staying hidden and moving quietly than on attacking or being aggressive in order to survive. A snake that is so small and hidden that it is often mistaken for a worm under your feet. The Brazilian blind snake is one of the most easily overlooked reptiles in nature, and it is often confused with an earthworm because of its very small size and smooth, shiny body. It is usually about 10 to 30 centimeters long, and it spends most of its life underground in soil and fallen leaves. It eats ants, termites and their young using its special jaws. It is completely harmless to humans, not venomous and almost blind. It depends on its sense of smell and touch to find its way. In some populations it can even reproduce without males through a process called parthenogenesis, which happens naturally. On the rough volcanic landscapes of the Canary Islands lives a remarkable reptile that is often mistaken for something much more dangerous. The Tenerife lizard snake is actually the Tenerife giant lizard, which is a species found only in the Canary Islands, and it is not a snake. It is mainly found on rocky coastal cliffs and volcanic land, and it can grow up to about 60 centimeters long. This fast and active lizard eats insects, plants and small invertebrates, and it has adapted well to the harsh conditions of island life. It was once believed to be almost extinct, but small groups still survive in protected areas of Tenerife where its body color helps it hide among dark lava rocks and stay safe from predators. Slipping through the shadows of Southeast Asia at night, a banded predator moves with silent precision. The Vietnamese blue krait is one of the most striking yet dangerous snakes in Southeast Asia, and it is found across the forests, rice fields and rural areas of Vietnam. It usually grows between 1 and 1.5 meters long, and it has shiny black and white bands with a bluish shine. It is very active at night and hunts other snakes, small lizards and rodents. Its venom is very strong and affects the nervous system, which can lead to paralysis. Even though it has a deadly reputation, it is shy and avoids people, and it only bites when it feels threatened in the wild.